morning, principal, ma'am, teachers, and dear parents. We are from grade 5. Today we are going to explain about ratio. A ratio is a comparison between two quantities. It tells us how much of one thing there is compared to another. Example, fruits. There are 4 apples and 2 oranges. Ratio of apples to oranges equals to 4:2. 4:2 equals to 2:1. Ratio always represents in its lowest form. Divide both by 2. This means for every 2 apples there is 1 orange. In a class 6 students and 3 benches. Ratio of students to bench is 6:3. 6 is ratio. For every 2 students there is 1 bench. Mixing juice. To make juice, 1 glass of lemon and 3 glasses of water. Ratio of lemon juice equals to 1:3. This keeps the taste correct. There are 5 red balls and 10 blue balls. Ratio of red balls to blue balls 5:10 equals to 1:2. This means for every 1 red ball there is 2 blue balls. Conclusion. Ratio helps us compare things and share things in the right proportion. We hope you all understand about ratio. Thank you.